Good morning. I'm heading to work. Time check is 6:45. I'm dying. I'm so sleepy. And one coffee. See you at work. Bye. There's few people I see out right now. I think it's the essential workers. That says we are really weird. Wake up at different times, go to work at different times when everyone's sleeping or everyone is awake. Our body clock is all over the place. I am living under the mercy of my alarm clock. So I wake up when the alarm clock rings, no matter what time of the day. Yeah, reality of being an ass. This is my second cup of coffee and it's 7 o'clock in the morning. Boy. Just had lunch. It's my second break, 30-minute break. I just had lunch and lunch is provided here and I had, what did I have? Rice, vegetable like broccoli, carrots, steamed, and I've got samosas, vegetable samosa. There was also a lamb dish which I don't eat lamb. So I had that and then I have a cup of tea and then head back to work. So it is 1:20 in the afternoon. Started at 7. Bye bye. I'm going home. Bye bye. Yeah. Time check is 3:35.